Well, hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. Here is one of those pours that never goes well. It was ill-fated from the beginning. An open cup pour where the paints weren't right, the amounts weren't right, the open cup was too big, I didn't move it around right, I just did everything wrong. But rather than scraping it, worked on it a little bit, it got a little bit worse before it got a little bit better. And isn't that life sometimes? This is what happens. So, watch it. It's a comedy of errors at first, but it really does turn into something beautiful at the end. And that's just a lesson to us, don't give up, never quit, just keep on trying. Sometimes you're gonna have to scrape, and sometimes you're gonna, get lucky, and your perseverance will pay off. So please enjoy the creation of Blooper Flower.